Hi everyone, welcome to Bloomfield Car Sales, located on the Greenhills Road in Dublin 12. We are just a 5-minute drive from exit 10 Ballymount on the M50, and today we are giving you a walk around of our 2020 plate BMW 3 Series Diesel M Sport. This 320D is finished in white with contrasting black 20-inch alloy wheels and M Performance body kit. There's just 69,000 kilometres on this car from new. It is automatic transmission with paddle shift and complete with a full BMW service history. Inside you can see the black leather interior, heated seats. On the touchscreen multimedia system here you can see the reverse camera. This is also complete with Apple CarPlay, which has your Google Maps built in. It also has Android Auto. You also have BMW's built-in sat-nav system, and it also has a complete onboard service history, which we can show you here as well. So there you can see it is completely serviced up to date with our own stamp included at the bottom. In the center console display you obviously have the automatic selector. You have your auto hold handbrake, stop start button is there, parking sensors on and off are there, and you also have your multiple driving modes. Flashing across now to the multifunction steering wheel, which the cruise control is controlled through. You have your light switches down here, which are all flat buttons. You can also see there the ambient lighting very subtly goes underneath the trim. And then you have your digital dash here in the centre with the BMW maps seen inside. Very cool. And that can also change settings as well. So you can change here multimedia if you like. You can also change to what driving mode you are in. If you are interested in this car, do not hesitate to get in contact at 085 100 8394. You can also get in contact through CarZone, CarsIsland, or our own website by sending us an email or WhatsApp inquiry. We are an AA approved used car dealer. We are every car we sell is sold with a 12-month AA roadside assistance. Thank you.